Hello friends, in this video we'll dive into WordPress plugin development. I'll walk you through an overview of what a plugin is, why plugins are created, and how developers can build a new plugin from scratch. We'll also discuss the benefits of plugins in WordPress. Now, if you navigate to the plugins section on your admin dashboard, you'll see a list of the installed plugins. And one of the plugins is Hello Dolly, which is included with each new WordPress setup by default. This plugin simply displays random lyrics on the screen. And by the way, this is not a required plugin. You can deactivate it and uninstall it from here. Now let's see what a plugin is. Plugins are packages of code that extend the core functionality of WordPress. Your plugin could be made up of PHP code, but it can also include other assets such as images, CSS, and JavaScript if necessary. By creating a plugin, you can extend the functionality of WordPress to serve additional custom requirements on top of WordPress. For example, you can create a plugin that displays the links to the 10 most recent posts published on your site. The natural question that arises is why create a plugin? Why not simply change the WordPress code files, right? Now, if there is one cardinal rule in WordPress development is don't touch the WordPress code. Why? Because whenever there is an update, that is a new version of WordPress is available, if you had modified any of the WordPress code files, those changes will be overridden with the update. Whatever changes you had made for extending or modifying a functionality, all those changes will be gone after updating WordPress. That is the main reason why we make plugins, to extend the WordPress functionalities instead of modify it. Now, let's examine the Hello Dolly plugin. If I open my Visual Studio Code, inside the WP content directory, I'll find a folder for plugins. This folder will contain all the plugins and its code installed on my site. If I open this plugins folder, I'll find a folder for Hello Dolly. This contains the code for the Hello Dolly plugin. This plugin contains a single file that is hello.php. And the first thing that you encounter on this file is this header. It contains the plugin's name, the URL for this plugin, the description, who created this plugin, the version, and the URI of its author. This header is known as the plugins header, and it is used by WordPress to display certain information on the plugins dashboard. So if you see on plugins page, you'll be able to see the description that was added in the plugins header, the version, and a link created for its author. If you click on the view details, you'll be able to see some more additional details on top of what has been mentioned in the plugins header, such as active installation and when was this plugin last updated. This additional information is coming from WordPress.org directory. If you had uploaded your plugin to the WordPress.org directory, you'll be able to see all this additional information. Now let's examine the Hello Dolly plugin code. This plugin contains a method Hello Dolly get lyric, which contains the lyrics of this famous song Hello Dolly. This plugin makes use of actions to extend the WordPress code to display random lyrics on the screen. These actions are also called hooks. Don't worry, we'll learn about actions and hooks in later videos. What this plugin does is it displays random lyrics from that Hello Dolly get lyric method here. And each time I refresh this page, I'll see a different lyrics. So yeah, this is a simple Hello Dolly plugin. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Jai WordPress.